Hey guys, it's Evan here from We Speak STEM. Today I have a math video about adding and subtracting integers. So stick around for We Speak STEM. Okay, so adding and subtracting integers. Now, this is definitely something that used to be really troublesome for me. I found it pretty difficult, but once you start to understand the tricks you can use, it's not that hard. So one thing I'm going to show you is there's a lot of times when you're adding integers that you're going to find a positive sign beside a negative sign. And what I'm going to tell you about this is when you find a positive sign beside a negative sign, it's always going to end up, if you combine the two, you'll end up with a negative sign. So it might not make much sense. Let me show you an example. So let's say I have 3 plus negative 7. Here we have a positive sign and here we have a negative sign. Now, the bracket's in the middle, but that doesn't matter. That's for good communication. So they are technically beside each other. And as we said here, when you have a plus and minus beside each other, we just end up with a minus. So what we're really being asked is 3 minus 7. And of course, 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Okay? So that's one of the tricks you need to remember. It also works if you have a minus sign and then a plus, but you don't really see that because, like, an example would be 3 minus positive 7, but you don't see that. You just see 3 minus 7 because there's no point in adding the positive because you automatically assume that it's positive. So yeah. Another trick, when you have a negative beside a negative, they actually combine to become a positive. So this only happens in subtracting. If we have 3 minus negative 7. So this is a subtraction sign right here. This is saying that the 7 is negative. So basically, if we combine it, we're just ending up with 3 plus 7. So it's not too difficult, but there are some things that can get a little bit tricky. So those tricks definitely help. Like, once I learned those, I understood it a lot better. Because, like, things like this would confuse me a lot. Because, like, you're subtracting negativity. Now, if you see it like that and you think about it over and over, subtracting, so you're getting rid of negativity. If you're getting rid of negativity, you're going more positive. So, yeah, that's one way to think about it. But I personally think that just combining those, making 3 plus 7, is much easier. Like, a lot easier. Okay. So, with that out of the way, let me show you a few examples. How about 12 minus 4? Now, this is simple. We know this is normal subtraction. 12 minus 4 is going to give us 8. But what if we did it the opposite way? 4 minus 12. Now, before you get into integers, you're never going to really be asked these questions because you're going into negative numbers. So, 4 minus 12, it won't be 8 because it would have to be the other way around. Now, if you have 4 and you're getting rid of 12, you're going to end up with negative 8. Let's count it on our fingers. We have 4. Let's go down. and we're going to count up to 12 on our fingers. So 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. And that's 12 on our fingers. So that helps you understand it better, I hope. Let me try an addition question. Let's say we have 4 plus -3. Now, we talked about this just now. We have a plus and a minus sign together. So really what we're being asked is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is just pretty simple. So, yeah, what we could get though, let's try this. 4 is 7. We're being asked 4 minus 7. And now we're going to have to go into negativity. And if we count it on our fingers, again, 3, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. And that's 7. And -3 is our answer. Now, adding and subtracting integers, I would say, are more difficult than multiplying and dividing them. So we will get into that in the next video. But yeah, I'll show a couple more examples. How about 12 plus -4. Again, this is just 12 minus 4. And 12 minus 4 is 8. Now let's try some subtraction ones. Let's do 8 minus -2. Now, we're losing negativity, so we're going more positive. And also, we know that these two make a plus sign. So 8 plus 2 is 10. It's really not that hard. Let's try another one. 5, -5. Oh yeah, so we can also have negative at the beginning. I should have been doing that earlier. -5 plus 3. Well, if we have -5 and we're going 3 more positive, we're going to end up with -2. And just think about that in your head if you're not getting it. Or another thing you can do is draw a number line. So we have -5 here, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. Okay? So we're starting here and we're going positive. So positive is this way, negative is that way. So we're going to the positive side because there's a plus sign right here. So 1, 2, 3. And we land on -2. So that's our answer. That is a great way. If you don't understand it, if you're not like exactly getting in your mind, that's a good way to start. But eventually you're going to have to be able to just know it in your mind how it works rather than using a number line. Because eventually you're just going to be using integers so much that you're going to have to be fast with them. So yeah, hopefully they're starting to make sense. I can do another video on more complicated addition and subtraction later. So if you have like 3 numbers in the equation. But the next video I'm going to move on to is multiplication and division. So if you need any help, there are PDFs linked in the description below. I have some examples which you can fill out the sheet yourself. There are no answers to those ones, but I also have a practice worksheet which basically just has a bunch of practice questions and then an answer sheet linked at the bottom of it. So you guys can use that if you need any additional help. It's in the description down below. And if you need help in like all subject areas, math, science, computer stuff, so technology, I can teach you guys about programming and all that stuff. Or one of my other streamer friends, like Sam, we can help you with that. And we can hook up some private sessions with you. So whenever you're most convenient, we can do it over Discord or Skype. There will be a charge to this, but if you're interested, let me know in the comments or in the Discord server, in the hashtag streamer help channel, I think it is. Just ping either me or Sam, and we can help you with that. I'll probably make a Google form soon if you guys would like that, because that'd probably be easier. So yeah, about my Discord, you should join my Discord. Link is in the description below. You can get to know the community, chat with them about topics, and get help from me or Sam. Also, check out my Mixer, because I will be starting live streams where you can come to the stream, ask me a question, and I'll help you guys out. So that'll be like really good interaction. I like using Mixer because it's very low latency. But if you don't want to use Mixer, you can check me out on YouTube. We will be streaming on YouTube at the same time if you don't want to get Mixer. But Mixer's great. You should also go follow me there. So you get notified when I go live on Mixer. So yeah, don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Leave a like on the video, helps out a lot. Just watching helps out a lot too. But leave a like if you like. Subscribe too if you want to get notifications when I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.